We'll guide you through how to stop apps from opening on startup automatically on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So when apps are going to open up automatically on startup, this means they're going to be running. And if you've got a lot of different apps to go and do this can go and slow down your Mac. So when it goes and starts up, it's trying to go and open loads of apps, and it also means they're then running, and it will just go and take up system resources. So if you don't need it, it makes sense to go and turn them off. We're going to guide you through this step by step, as well as go and give you some other useful tips as well. So make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering important things throughout this whole video. Without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what you need to do is go and open up the settings on your Mac. You can go and find them in your dock at the bottom, or you can go to the top right and press on the search button, and you want to go and type in system settings, and you can press enter and open them up. Now, what you need to do is come over to the left here, and you need to go and find the option for general, just to the left here. Now in general, what you can do is come over to the right, and you then need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for login items and extensions. And you can go and click there like so. Now at the top, you can go and see the apps which are going to go and open at login, which will open automatically. So you can see I've got photos, Steam. So if you want to go and stop it, select it and then press the remove button in the bottom left here to the right. Then we'll do the same thing for Steam, press that remove button. What you can also do is go and switch off app background activity, because these apps can be running in the background, which can go and take up resources. So you can go down here and go and switch off the apps you want to do this with. You need to go and confirm a decision there by using your Touch ID or password. So you can then go through the list and you can go and do this with apps you don't want to go and be running. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more guides like this.